So students, in this video we discuss the uniform convergence of the sequence. So this is the question. Show that the sequence defined on the interval 0, 1 by fn x is equal to x raised to power n is uniformly convergent on 0k where k is less than 1 and only pointwise convergent on 0, 1. So first we must know what is uniform convergent and pointwise convergent. Uniform convergent and pointwise convergent. Pointwise convergent means if we have the sequence fn x and if the sequence is defined in some domain E contained in R and if fna is a convergent sequence, that is this sequence is convergent at any point A that belongs to the domain, and similarly as if we have fnb is convergent sequence, then fnb is convergent, similarly as fnc is the sequence of convergent, and this is convergent at A, B, C. We can count the points. So sequence is pointwise convergent at point A, pointwise convergent at point B. But in case of uniform convergent, we take the sequence fn x in the domain such that fn x converges to fx for all x. In this case, this is uniform convergent, means in all domain, and in pointwise convergent we take only one point. We define as pointwise convergent. Pointwise convergence, a sequence fn of functions defined on E contained in R is said to be pointwise convergent if for given epsilon greater than 0 there exists a positive number m, this depending upon epsilon and x such that fn x minus fx less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m and x belongs to E, x belongs to domain. So this is definition of pointwise convergent. In this case we are taking m that depending upon epsilon and x. But in case of uniform convergence, a sequence fn x is said to be uniformly convergent if for given epsilon greater than 0 however small there exists a positive number m, this only depending on epsilon and not on x. Not on x because we are taking the all points, and then for all x belongs to E, fn x minus fx less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. So once again I am stressing on the point depending upon epsilon and point. Point means the point may be A, B, any point, but in case of uniform convergent this only depend upon epsilon and not on the point. So now the solution of our problem. So in this case fn x is equal to x raised to power n is given, and we have to prove that this is uniformly convergent on 0k and pointwise convergent on 0, 1. So first we find the fx. Fx is limit n approaches to infinity fn x, that is limit n approaches to infinity x raised to power n, and when we take x is equal to 1 When x is 1, this limit is 1, and when x is lying between 0 and 1, because it must be something type 1 upon 2 raised to power n, limit n approaches to infinity, and when n approaches to infinity, this will get the value 0. So fx is our 1 and 0, and now we have to prove that fnx is uniformly convergent. It means by definition we have to prove that fnx minus fx less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m, and m depend on epsilon only. For uniform convergent, for pointwise convergent, we have to prove that this depends upon epsilon and x. Now the sequence has definite limit 1 and 0 for all cases in x belongs to 0 to 1. So it means the sequence is convergent pointwise in this domain, means the sequence is convergent at all. If we count the only one point, the sequence is convergent. And the case of uniform convergent, we must check that fnx minus fx must be less than epsilon. So now fnx is our x raised to power n minus 0 is less than epsilon, implies x raised to power n is less than epsilon, implies 1 upon x raised to power n greater than 1 upon epsilon. So taking log on both sides, we get n log 1 upon x is greater than log 1 upon epsilon. Now this implies n is greater than log 1 upon epsilon over log 1 upon x. Now you can see that for x approaches to 1, when x is 1, the n becomes infinite. N is infinite, but the case x is equal to 1, this part is not defined. So it means the sequence is not uniformly convergent in this part, because 1 is creating problem. So sequence is but all other points this, and we can see that there must exist some m. So for all parts, when in the domain 0 to k, for k less than 1, means when we are in the part open domain, or we can say 0 to k, or we are in the open domain, means we are not considering the point 1, or we can say there is a point k that is less than 1. So sequence is uniformly convergent in this domain because 1 is creating problem. So sequence is uniformly convergent in this domain. Hence now we have to check, we can choose the point such that n is greater than equal to log 1 upon epsilon, log 1 upon k. So sequence is uniformly convergent. We can choose any point m. So sequence is uniformly convergent for the interval 0 to k. And but for the case x is equal to 1, we have already discussed that it is pointwise convergent. Thank you.